is Fab with Molly's Science Show.
Do you want to be a scientist? You can! Today, Molly will show you one of her favourite science experiments to try at home. First, ask an adult for help with setting up and conducting your experiments. Make sure you have a clear and covered area to work with, gloves and eye protection. Today's experiment is cornflower slime. Put 300 grams of corn flour in a large bowl and start mixing in water, a bit at a time. Keep adding water until you have a thick, smooth mixture. See what happens if you squeezed the slime. If it's thick enough, it should form a hard ball and crumble like wet sand. Now, see what happens if you relax your hand. You might have noticed that the cornflour mixture behaves like both a liquid and a solid. We call this a non-Newtonian liquid. This means the same material might appear more thick or runny in different situations, depending on the force applied to it. To see how special this is, fill an identical bowl with water. Stir and gently punch the surface of both liquids. Are they different? If so, how? Check out other fun experiments by Molly on the Twinkl Kids TV YouTube channel.